Luscombe Suzuki is proud to present for sale this lovely Suzuki Alto SZ3 1 litre. Let me walk you around this vehicle. This vehicle's in excellent condition, a 2013 plate. In a lovely superior white. Amazing benefits of this vehicle, excellent on fuel, over 60 miles to the gallon, nil road tax, wow. So all you do is tax the vehicle once a year and off you go, with no cost. A really small, nice, easy to drive, nice to park, small, 5-door. Very practical. Again, as mentioned, the vehicle's in lovely condition, tyres, wheels. The vehicle's just had some brand new wheel trims. Just to show you the inside of the vehicle. So we have cloth seats. Again, no signs of wear. Really nice condition. Electric windows, remote central locking. The vehicle's only covered just over 34,000 miles, so for the age and for the year of the vehicle, very low mileage. Some added extras being the SZ3 model, air conditioning, keeps you nice and chilled, good for the screen as well. For infotainment, we've got CD, radio, an anti-theft system, nice and built in. Really quality used vehicle is this one. Remote central locking, 2 keys, well looked after. Just to go on to the front of the vehicle. So prior to leaving, this vehicle will leave with a full service, a full MOT. If you have any questions, would like to have a viewing or have a test drive, feel free to give us a call or pop in, and we look forward to hearing and seeing you soon. Thank you.